Hi, this is Nam from Easy Sunday Club, and today we are going to show you how to package a wholesale fine art print order. One of our most popular videos is our fine art print, how to package a fine art print, and I wanted to take that a step further to show you guys what we do when we get a fine art print order from one of our wholesale retail shops that sell our prints in their store. Just because there's a little bit of logistics involved. I collected a bunch of materials that you're going to need for this video, so I'll walk you through it and I hope you enjoy. First thing that you need is a box to ship your prints. We usually recycle and reuse boxes that we get from Amazon, just because why not, right? Sure, it's not the cleanest thing, but instead of throwing this into a landfill or recycling center, you can reuse it again and still put it through multiple good uses. The next thing is packaging materials. So we have everything from Costco saran wrap to bubble wrap to this styrofoam wrap. And this bubble wrap we got new, this styrofoam wrap, and also these air space taker upper things we usually get from our Amazon boxes as well. So we usually hang on to these things in case we need it for packaging later on. We have our actual prints that we need to fulfill today. So today we're going to be fulfilling 11 by 14 prints, about 45 of them, and 12 by 16 prints. So these are already printed and packaged. You're also going to need a packing slip, so your wholesale retailer knows what they're getting sent. And any extra trinkets or things that you want to send your retailer so that you can continue building the relationship. You're going to need a tape gun, which is really handy. And I also have additional backboards as well to keep things sturdy. So those are all my materials. So the first thing that I'm going to do is package the 12 by 16 prints. So we only have 5 of these in there. So and then the 11 by 14 prints, which is a heavier, bulkier collection of prints, are going to go on top of the 11 by 16. So in order to secure it a little bit more, I'm going to put the 12 by 16 backboards on the front and back of it to make it a little bit more rigid and sturdy. I'm just going to use the normal tape to secure it. And I love using the tape gun just because it makes things so much easier. The next thing I need to do is secure the 11 by 14 prints. There's 2 ways I can do this. I can either use saran wrap or I can use this styrofoam type material here. What I'm going to do this time is I'm going to use the saran wrap to secure this in place, and then I'm going to wrap both this, the 11 by 14 and the 12 by 16s in this styrofoam material just because we have a lot of it. These, so with the saran wrap, I know I'm just using the normal saran wrap that you can get from Costco, but you can actually get this saran wrap as well from Uline that's specifically made for. But it comes in handy just because it really is good for keeping your prints in place, and everyone has access. So that's one side down. Now I got to get the lateral side. And there it goes. And because it's clingy, it kind of sticks to itself all on its own. Now what I'm going to do is take this styrofoam type material, and then I'm going to wrap the prints in here just so it has extra cushion in case it moves around. I'm going to put the 11 by 14 prints on the edge of the 12 by 16 prints just so that I can jam this into the corner and it'll be more secure when it moves around. I'm gonna place it into the box. And there it goes. Looks nice and comfy. The next thing I'm gonna do is put our packing slip. So this shows all of everything they order and what the price it costs. I'll put that there. Cathy also likes to include some promotion materials, so her bio and some product pictures of some other products. I'll put that in there. And the next thing I'm gonna take is these air filler things, cushions that I usually get from Amazon packages, and I'll fill in all the extra space in there to make sure that things further don't move around. Place these on top as well. And that's pretty much it, and then I'm gonna seal it. So another thing to remember with Amazon boxes is just to pull off your original tag on there, just so it doesn't get confused or people don't have your home address if you're using a business address. And I like to do the classic H, so I'll tape it down the middle. And then I'll tape the edges as well. Do another piece just in case. That's good. And then usually Amazon only has one piece of tape down the middle, but I usually double secure it and across on the edges as well. And then I usually do a super scientific pressure test. Okay. And then usually if Cathy watches me package the prints, she usually makes a snarky comment if she doesn't think I'm doing it right. And then I usually respond back with some defensive comment because I feel like she's trying to destroy me. But
she's right here.
But just kidding. So that's pretty much it. The last thing I need, of course, is the packaging label. So I'll do that when I weigh it, and then I put in those metrics into our GoShippo account so I can print out the label, and that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think about this video. I'd love to hear your feedback. Love to hear how you ship out your wholesale packages. If you enjoy the comment, continue to support us by subscribing, and thanks for joining us.
I'll tell you what I think.
Thanks.